What you're seeing on the screen isn't tomorrow. It is happening right now. AI is trading on its own, instantly reacting to markets and spotting the moves which humans can't. Every second, it is reading news, tracking the volatility, executing trades faster than any manual strategy. And it is not just for the hedge funds or institutions anymore. We are bringing you the power at your fingertips. The question is simple. Are you still staring at the charts or ready to utilize the full potential of AI? Because while most of the traders watch, some are already moving ahead. At Primexar, we have tracked the code for traders like you. You will learn how AI-driven expert advisors work and how the trades are executed automatically with strong precision. You know what? Even the smartest AI depends on timing, and nothing moves the market like the news. Here, we will show you how the top traders position before the news, not after. We are Primexar, a financial training academy based in Dubai. You will experience hands-on real trades with real setups. Not only that, you are going to see how the news, strategy and AI together going to create a precision-based trading experience. You can ask questions live, get answers instantly and see the strategies in action. Primexar is bringing you where you will get the keys to a new era in trading. You can dive into news hour trading, ATR-based gold strategy and the AI revolution in trading. The world is moving fast and the news is moving the market and AI is changing the way you trade. The only question is, are you evolving with it? Join the Primexar workshop now.